What is up everyone, now today we'll switch over to our PS4 Slim and test the first Watch Dogs game. The development of Watch Dogs began in 2009 with only 10 people on the team, expanding to over 8,000 people and a budget of $68 million. We all know the overhyped E3 game footage and the discrepancy in graphical quality between the game demo and the real game. But all we know, Watch Dogs did great in terms of sales and critics' reception. Let's not forget it was competing with other open-world games like GTA 5. The unique hacking mechanics was what set Watch Dogs apart. The open world is decent and the graphics look really good, especially in those rainy nights. So guys, for this gameplay test, we will also do some free roam gameplay, and let's get started.
Maybe they fucked with my system, maybe they didn't. That's the problem.
The yellow bus or the blue one?
Orange for heavy flow.
Oh, come on. They go by flow?
Of course. Why else would they need a car?
Oh, God.
911, what is your emergency?
Jesus, send the police. Hurry, some guy's shooting.
Can you repeat that? Hello?
gunshot wounds. I got another corpse. Another viceroy. Victim of this crime, then. Stadium. Gangbangers.
Copy. We're sending forensics. Secure your position for now. We're sweeping each level of stadium.
All right. Doesn't look right to me. Why are they killing each other? And why here, of all places? Looks like a gang hit.
Outstanding 15-7 record last season. We're watching an epic confrontation between two old rivals here today, and this game couldn't be any closer.
Trigger man. Just need to break through. How? Push Maury's hard. Butcher's not gonna work on this guy, so I need to get inside his head. The guilt is eating him up. I'll give him a couple of days. I bet I'll start reaching out.